Hey you guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm just so happy today. My mood is upbeat. I'm just the energy of it all. I am so excited. So in today's video, we are actually making another shaken espresso recipe. You guys loved my last video. That got like overwhelming support. Thank you for that. If you've not already watched it, go ahead, watch that one first, then finish this one and then go back and watch that one. Finish this one, thank you. But in my last video, I made the brown sugar shaken espresso with oat milk, and in this video, I'm making the iced almond milk chocolate shaken espresso. This one is amazing as well. I love chocolate and I love espresso, so this is gonna be good. And the recipe for this one is even easier than the brown sugar one. This takes no time at all. You can do this. So of course, with every new release of new drinks, they normally release a new like merch line or like tumblers, and this one did not disappoint. You guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while now, I'm an avid collector of the Starbucks studded cups. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with them. They fly off the shelves so quickly and they're all limited edition, so I need to get my hands on them as soon as they come out. It's literally like a routine now. Every single collection, I wake up at like 4:30, I drive to my favorite Starbucks, they know it's me, they hand me the cup, and I get back to bed. That's my release day cup routine. I love it, it works for me. It's like a little tradition. I love my traditions. This release day did not go as well. So I set my alarm for 4:30 because my Starbucks open at 5 and I want to be there as soon as they open. I'm like the first in line, I need my cup. So set my alarm like 4:30. I thought I was gonna be good. I go to bed, I wake up, I look at my phone, it's 5:30. Wow. So obviously I'm panicking. I literally like throw on the bare minimum, and I was running to my car. So not speed, can I go to jail? I was driving very quickly to my local Starbucks and I pull in the drive-thru. Keep in mind, this is like at 5:45 now. I pull in the drive-thru, I'm like, hey, do you have any more of your studded cups? And they're like, no, we just ran out. Within 45 minutes? Oh my gosh. So then I'm like, okay, no problem, thank you so much. So then I drive to another Starbucks like 5 minutes further away, and this one does not have a drive-thru. So I was running, well, not running, I don't run. So I was like speed walking into the store. It is pitch black out, crickets. And I go in the store, I look to my left, there is one cup left. One studded cup left. This story is very similar to when I found the matte red studded tumbler. There was only one on the shelf. I grabbed it. I was like, oh my gosh. So let's see her. So this is the new Starbucks tumbler that I got my hands on. It is copper bling studded. Apparently this is Starbucks like 50th anniversary of opening its first store. So they released this limited edition cup to celebrate its anniversary. I am obsessed. It is so sparkly. The color is just, it gives it. I'm obsessed. I was getting worried. I thought, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to pay $60 on eBay for this thing, but I found the last one. I know they also released this in like a grande size. I only collect the venti, so if you were able to get your hands on either one, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Y'all, my studded collection is getting out of hand. I think I have like, how many? I think this is my 9th studded cup that I have. I live for it. I love that this is like my collector's item. I mean, I use them like literally every day. So it's not like they're just sitting on a shelf collecting dust. I'm using them. They look like so chic. So that was the story, the tumultuous story of my journey to get this cup, but I have it now, thank goodness. So now that that story is over with, we can get going on making our chocolate almond milk shaken espresso. Oh my gosh. let's get into it. So unlike a lot of my Starbucks drink recipes, we're actually gonna start out this recipe with making the espresso. When I tell you guys, this is another 3-ingredient recipe. I do not disappoint. I do not disappoint. 3 ingredients, come on, you can do this. So like all of my espresso drinks, the way I love making espresso is using instant espresso powder. A lot of people ask what brand I use, and it is Ferrara. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's Ferrara. Yeah, Ferrara. I think I literally got this at Whole Foods. It is so easy to find. I know some instant espressos don't taste the best. This one is really, really good quality. I've tried a lot, and this is my favorite. If you have like a proper espresso maker, then obviously you can use that. And if you only have coffee, just make it extra strong, and you can also use that. So I'm gonna make 3 shots of espresso, which means that I'm going to have to use 4.5 ounces of water, so let's get that. Okay, so I have my 4.5 ounces of water here. I'm gonna stick this into the microwave until it is boiling, and I'll be right back. Okay, so just like that, our water is boiling, and now we can go ahead and add in our espresso powder. So for 3 shots, it's gonna be 1.5 heaping teaspoons. And these measurements might vary depending on the brand of espresso you're using. So this is just for the Ferrara brand. Ferrara. And I'm just gonna stir the powder in until everything is dissolved. One thing that is really great about these drinks that I was reading on the Starbucks app is that every single shaken espresso on the menu is under 200 calories. What? That is amazing. So if you are on a diet or you're trying to watch your calories but you still want that iced coffee fix, this is a great option. And just like my last video, I am using my NutriBullet like blender bottle with the shaker cap to shake this espresso. This is perfect for it. Any sort of like shaking thing that you can find will work perfectly for this. So I'm gonna fill this up with ice, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my ice in my blender cup. One thing with these shaken espressos is you want to put a lot of ice in there when you're shaking it to get that really frothy texture, and it cools the espresso down a lot. Okay, so the flavoring of this drink is chocolate and almond milk. So we need to address the chocolate portion of this drink. Now at Starbucks, they use a scoop of chocolate malt powder, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm using malted milk powder in the chocolate flavor. This works perfectly. You get that malty flavor, you get that chocolatey flavor, and it's in a powder. It's all in one little ingredient. You can find this normally in the dry milk portion of your grocery store. This is the secret ingredient. And also you can use this if you want to make like chocolate malt milkshakes or like stuff like that. So you can use this for a lot of different things. And don't worry, this is a powder, but due to the espresso and the shaking process, this is gonna dissolve completely. So I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of this. You can literally use as little or as much as you want. This is just the amount that I like in my drink, but adjust it to the way you want it, because who's drinking this drink? You. Okay, so I have my ice and my chocolate malt powder in here, so now I can pour in my espresso and we can get to shaking. Purr. Okay, so I'm gonna shake this for like a minute or 2 until it is frothy, until it is and the powder is blended in with the espresso. Let's get to shaking. Okay, so I've shaken this for like a minute or 2. Oh my gosh, that is a workout. It is foamy, it is light, and it's ready to go into the Starbucks cup. Okay, so here is our shaken espresso with the malt powder in here. So now all we need to do is add in a splash of almond milk, and we can give this a taste. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm still recovering from that shaking. I need to work out more. I'm so ready for this. I love chocolate, as I said earlier, and I love espresso. The aesthetic of this, oh, it is so cute. It is so cute. We have the chocolatey espresso, then we have the almond milk. I love almond milk. It is so, it's like sweet, but not too sweet. It's just that little, I love almond milk. It is definitely one of my go-to plant-based milks. It is so good, and I love that chocolatey, malty flavor. If you guys don't know what malt is, it's pretty much what's inside of a Whopper. So if you love that, you need to try this drink out. Let's give this a taste. Oh. Okay, yeah. When I tell you guys this is spot on, this is spot on. She's giving you that espresso. She's giving you the chocolate. She's giving you the malt. She's giving you the almond milk. She's giving. She is giving. Again, that shaking process does something to the flavor. I'm convinced. This shaken espresso is genius. Whoever at Starbucks came up with that whole concept needs a raise. I mean, I'm sure it existed before Starbucks added it to their menu, but they are genius. I think it improves the flavor and it gives it that little lighter texture to it. I don't know how to describe it. If you guys have tried the actual Starbucks one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That chocolate malt powder has such a rich and deep chocolatey flavor. When you shake it with that espresso, it really blends in there really well. Oh my gosh, this is like amazing. This is like a mocha, but like a step above a mocha. Oh, wow, wow. I'm so glad they paired it with almond milk. The chocolatey flavor and that little subtle almondy flavor complement each other so well. This is perfect. Oh my gosh. I 10 out of 10 would make this again. If you guys love this drink at Starbucks and you want to figure out how you can make it for yourself, I will have the full recipe in the description box down below. Try it out. Let me know how it turned out. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new videos. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at pmeyer01. I will have the handle down there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.